Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing Testimonial.to. So this is a platform that you can use to create amazing looking testimonial and collect testimonials as well. So we are going to be discussing step by step about it, and if you want to access it you can head over to the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and extended free trails on many type of softwares and also on Testimonial.to. So talking about the platform, you can see we can basically generate testimonials in form of videos, and currently if you start with it you get 2 credits for free to get started with a free plan, and then you can click on this create a new space. Then we have AI assistant and create from scratch. So here you can see we can enter space name, the logo as well, header, and all of this information, like for example questions, and collect extra information. So this is going to be creating a space. So a space is used to simply gather information and ask questions. You can also record a video, so we have that option as well in here, or send in text. So this is used to collect the testimonials, and of course testimonials are important tool on getting new clients. They need testimonials to increase the credibility on the type of seller they are going to be choosing. So if you want to boost your testimonial game, this is the platform for you guys. Make sure to check out their plans, what suits the best for you guys. Currently I'm using the free plan, but if you want to upgrade, they have a couple of offers for you guys and you can check out for yourself as well. Like for example, the starter plus comes with a $20 price point and price mark with multiple features, and in the 50 you can see some more of the features, and even two covered to 10 spaces. In free and starter plus we have only one space. Similarly, if we had a jump to ultimate, we have even more benefits. So that was pretty much it for testimonial, and I hope you liked it and learned something new. If you did so, you can head over to the link in the description to simply get exclusive benefits and extended free trail on this platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.